So for today's video, we'll be talking about when should you do the pregnancy test, and then how do you carry out this pregnancy test, and some other things in between. If this is something you want to know more on, ensure to watch this video to the end. If you're new here, you're so welcome. I'm Dr. Cherry Vitazon, and on this channel we'll talk about all things pregnancy and family planning. Let's jump right into the video. So now, the 2 weeks wait can be so frustrating, right? You've calculated your fertile window, and then that 2 weeks period when you are waiting to test for pregnancy can be so, the anxiety will choke. When to check for pregnancy? Well, it depends on the kind of pregnancy test strip that you have, but the ones commonly found in our environment are the ones that can test for the beta HCG when you have already missed your period. So you can be impatient and then you want to check before you miss your period. You may not get the accurate results, you understand? So to be able to check for pregnancy, you wait for at least 1 day after you have missed your period. So if you missed your period today, if you are supposed to see your period today, but your period did not come today, then tomorrow morning, using the first morning urine, you can then test for pregnancy and you'll be fine. When checking for pregnancy, it's not unusual to see faint lines. So those faint lines doesn't really mean that you are not pregnant. It could be that you are pregnant but you just tested too early. So you may want to repeat the test again another day, maybe the next day after you made that test, and see if the line gets darker as you check each day. When it comes to checking for pregnancy, there are some things you need to know or you need to look out for on your pregnancy test strip. So this is a common strip we use. So you look for the expiry date. So I don't want to show names of the kits, but this expiry date is 2026, and ensure that all angles of the test are sealed. You look through, then you look at the back here. So there are some instructions. You need to follow these instructions carefully because each of these test strips have their own instructions. So for this particular one, they want you to immerse the strip into the urine, then you read the results after 3 minutes. Let's start. You tear it open. It usually has something that would help you to be able to know where to tear the test from. So we tear it open like this. Then we take out the strip gently. Take it out gently. Yeah. So this is what a typical pregnancy test strip would look like. So this is the HCG hormone all around you. Then the next is that you get your urine. You can choose to put it anywhere in any form of container. So you have your urine. Then there's this max line. You see something written max. Don't allow the urine to pass that max line. So you dip it into the urine and count 1 to 5. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you take it out. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see that the hormone is already washing into the strip. You want to ensure that you drop it on a flat surface so that hormone can keep flowing backward, not like this. So you keep it flat like this. And when you are waiting, don't just be looking at it anxiously like this. Drop it down, get your timer, and then go and do something else, because the anxiety can be breathtaking. You need to catch your breath. So after 2 minutes, we'll come back to read our result. We have our results already, and this is negative based on the reading. So if there is one line, it is negative. If the lines are double, it is positive. So whichever way you choose to read it, you see that the result is positive or negative. So that's how to effectively read your pregnancy test to get the accurate results. And mind you need to use the early morning urine because that urine is more concentrated. It will have a lot of this beta HCG hormone that is being tested for on this strip test. If you like this video, give this video a massive thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel to be able to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.